do you think?
Cut it.
Let's cut it open.
This is steamy.
I grabbed this one on eBay for 50 quid. Seems like a bargain, but it's well used. Paint peeling off. Looks like it needs a good clean. Probably need to repaint the trim. Let's see how it goes. Right, it's time to go and get this stuff. No people's outside. So locked down. Queue. Right, I am in. When you come to this store, you have the full selection of paint. Right, got the stuff. Primer, acrylic paint, some sandpapers. Now let me see if I can take the airbag out. Finally I managed to take the airbag out. Well, it was a job. Now I'm gonna try and take this trim off. T20 screwdriver. These buttons hold in 2 more screws.
It needs something.
There you have the buttons. Once I remove the button from the trim, I use the 320 wet sandpaper to smooth the surface. Also, that will help me to take out any leftover paint on the trim. Now that I prepare the trim, it's been sanded with 320 grit sandpaper and put some masking tape on the embedge. I'm going to use plastic primer before the base coat. Here I have done the first coat of primer, and I am using the heat gun to reduce the drying time. Ideally you need to leave at least 10 to 15 minutes to let it dry between each coat. I'm spraying the third coat of primer. Seems alright. Now I'm applying the base coat. I will probably apply 2 coats, then that's the work done. I'm happy with the end result. Hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe and support the channel. See you at next one.